Today we're in the shop. We're gonna make a stand for this here anvil. So we gotta go to the father-in-law's house and steal some wood. Let's do that. Alright, so we got the wood. We're just gonna stagger the wood out like this. And screw it in until I have enough to fit the base of my anvil. And then we'll screw in the anvil and we'll make that look nice so I can have somewhere to live. Alright, as you can see, we got our anvil stand built. We're gonna go ahead and just flatten up the top a bit, flatten up the bottom a bit, build a little base around it to make it wider. All right, here's the finished product. Next video, I'll go ahead and I'll screw it down. We'll dress the anvil, we'll dress the hammer, and then we'll make something. But thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next one.